I'm Georgina Swan, editor of CIO, and tonight we're on Fort Denison in Sydney as part of an HP and CIO networking event. Richard Bailey, Vice President for Printing and Imaging with HP South Pacific, took time out to talk to me about managed print services.
So great question. So I think first of all, let's sort of look at the landscape that we have at the moment. And what you have is you have an explosion of content on the internet, and a lot of that content is in fact printable. You have an explosion of global and mobile workers, and you have to accommodate that in your printing infrastructure. And then you have this whole paradigm of cloud and infrastructure as a service. And so we've positioned our business to really think about those three things, to think about content explosion, to think about mobility, and to also think about what we can do from service-based business proposition. So what that means, and the way we've practically been able to make an offer around that, is that all of our devices are internet connected. So what that means is that you can access applications that are on the cloud or within an organisation's network directly from the printer. And that does then open up a whole discussion about what is a printer within the IT environment of an organisation. And from a HP perspective, the printer is an on-ramp into the network and an off-ramp out off the network. And so that's how we position printers, and we start to think about what is an organisation trying to do and what are the opportunities around digitising paper-based processes, or what you referred to as document workflow. Further to that, in the mobility space, you now have all these workers moving around on an ad hoc basis using smartphones to access the work network, and they need to print. And so one of the solutions we have is called HP ePrint, which allows customers to print from any smartphone, or if from a security perspective there's a desire to have a more secure environment within their own network, with solutions like BlackBerry ePrint.